We have all gathered here to celebrate the auspicious occasion of this Independence Day on 15th August. Many best wishes and congratulations to all of you on this auspicious occasion. Today, on this auspicious occasion, I have got the opportunity to address you all, and I feel obliged for that. As we know that August 15 is a day of honor and pride for every Indian. On August 15, 1947, all our freedom fighters and revolutionaries freed our country from the British Empire by putting their lives at stake. So we celebrate this day historically in their memory and honor. Because on this day, we got freedom from the British rule, which is incomparable. The British government oppressed the people of India for many years and kept us as slaves. On the 15th of August, we got freedom from the slavery of the British and we became completely independent. In the relentless pursuit of freedom, we lost many great people of our country. Many great people were born in our country who did not even care about their lives and sacrificed their lives for their country. The most important contribution to the independence of the country was made by Mahatma Gandhi, who forced him to leave India by using weapons like truth and non-violence against the British rule. There were many other freedom fighters like Jawaharlal Nehru, Sardar Vallabhbhai Patel, Subhash Chandra Bose, Bhagat Singh and Chandrasekhar Azad, etc., who contributed to the independence of India and liberated the country from British slavery. We are very fortunate to have found such great freedom fighters and revolutionaries in history, and they liberated not only the country but also the coming generations from the slavery of the British. For this reason, we are free today and achieving new achievements day by day. Today, our military strength is equipped with modern weapons which have the power to annihilate any enemy in the blink of an eye. Today, 74 years after independence, our country is moving towards progress in every field. Our country is writing a new chapter every day in different fields like military strength, education, technology, sports, and many other fields. On this occasion of Independence Day, while we are discussing the new dimensions of the progress of the country, we should never forget the scene of slavery where our great freedom fighters sacrificed their lives for freedom. Even today, our eyes become moist by remembering those great people. Addressing you today on this auspicious occasion, I end my speech by paying my respects and tributes to those great revolutionaries. Thank you. Jai Hind, Jai Bharat.
Before we begin this day, let us seek the blessings from Almighty. Almighty Father, Creator of all good things on earth, today we stand before you to thank you for this bright day, filled with the memories of those who fought for our freedom. We request you to guide our leaders so that they may lead our country towards prosperity. Shower your blessings on our doctors, social workers, and all those people who have worked selflessly during this pandemic and saved many lives. Keep them in your tender care. Give strength to those people who have lost their near and dear ones. We seek for your blessings upon our principal, teachers, support staff, parents, and students. Protect us from all harm and danger. We ask this prayer in your precious name. Amen.
जन गण मन अधिनायक जय हे गाता। पंजाब सिंध गुजरात मराठा द्राविड़ उत्कल बंग, विंध्य हिमाचल यमुना गंग, उच्छल जलधि तरंग। तव शुभ नामे जागे, तव शुभ आशीष मांगे, गाहे तव जय गाथा। जन गण मंगलदायक जय हे भारत भाग्य विधाता। जय हे जय हे जय हे, जय 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 हे। अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे।
ये तेरी ज़मीं तेरे खून से ही तो सजती संवरती है रांझे, तेरे इश्क की मैं हकदार नहीं, तेरी हीर तो धरती है रांझे। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरे खेतों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
अफसोस नहीं जो तेरे लिए सौ दर्द सहे, महफूज रहे तेरी आन सदा, चाहे जान मेरी रहे न रहे।
हो वतना वे मेरा वतना वे, तेरा मेरा प्यार निराला था, कुर्बान हुआ तेरी अज़मत पे, मैं कितना नसीबों वाला था। तेरी मिट्टी में मिल जावा गुल बनके, मैं खिल जावा, इतनी सी
है दिल की आरज़ू। तेरी नदियों में बह जावा, तेरी फसलों में लहरावा, इतनी सी है दिल की आरज़ू।
Happy Independence Day, dear teachers, students, parents, and well-wishers. First of all, I want to congratulate all the participants and the winners of Jashan-e-Azadi competition held in honor of Independence Day. I sincerely thank all the students and their parents who have taken active participation in this competition. I really appreciate their keen interest, constant support, hard work, and their dedication to keep up the spirit of competition during this pandemic. Dear students, freedom is a gift. It is a gift from our forefathers. They, through their sacrifices, sleepless nights, brutal tortures, and struggles, given us this precious gift. History is an open chapter which tells us about the sacrifices of our freedom fighters. We are called to respect and value this precious present and pass on to others. Today, let us celebrate and enjoy this freedom and promise to make our nation a healthy and prosperous one where everyone is free to live and move. Yes, my dear students, we are the future of our nation. As per our great leader Mahatma Gandhiji, the future depends on what we do in the present. So, dear students, your perseverance, dedication, and commitment to your life will determine the future of India. If you are faithful in little things, you will be entrusted with greater responsibilities. Even the smallest effort counts. No matter what you face in life, do not let go of God's hand. The beautiful thing about today is that you get the choice to make better than yesterday. So, keep doing a little good every day, and one day we all will have a country independent from all its problems. Happy Independence Day. God bless you. Thank you.
Give me blood, I will give you freedom. Good morning, teachers and my dear friends. Oh yes, you got it right. I am Subhash Chandra Bose, famous as Netaji. I was born on 3rd January 1897 in Cuttack, Odisha. In 1943, I went to Japan and Germany to get help for India's freedom. I motivated them by saying, Delhi chalo, Delhi chalo. Then I formed Indian National Army to fight with British Army. My life was ended in a plane crash. Thank you. Jai Hind. Respected principalmen, teachers and judges. My name is Samal Wal. I study in class LKG-A. I am Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi. I object to violence because when it appears to do good, the good is only temporary. The evil it does is permanent. आजादी बिना खटक बिना ढाल साबरमती की संत तूने कर दिया कमाल दे दी हमें आजादी बिना खटक बिना ढाल साबरमती की संत तूने कर दिया कमाल आंधी में पिघलती रही कौन सी तेरी मशाल साबरमती की संत तूने कर दिया
ये देश है वीर जवानों का बेलों का मस्तानों का इस देश का यारों इस देश का यारों क्या कहना ये देश है दुनिया का कहना मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी मेरा जूता है जापानी ये पतलून हिंदुस्तानी सर पे लाल टोपी रूसी फिर भी दिल है हिंदुस्तानी
हर करम अपना
दुनिया के तले आजा जरी लाल नीले आसमान के तले जय हो चक दे इंडिया चक दे इंडिया वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम सुजलाम सुफलाम मलयज शिवलाम सत्य श्यामलाम मातरम वंदे वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम वंदे मातरम ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन ये दुनिया एक दुल्हन दुल्हन के माथे की बिंदिया ये मेरा इंडिया ये मेरा इंडिया I love my India ये मेरा इंडिया
कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, कुछ याद उन्हें भी कर लो, जो लौट के घर ना आए, जो लौट के घर ना आए। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। ऐ मेरे वतन के लोगों, जरा आँख में भर लो पानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। तुम भूल न जाओ उनको, इसलिए सुनो ये कहानी, जो शहीद हुए हैं उनकी जरा याद करो कुर्बानी। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। सदियों से भारत भूमि दुनिया की शान है, भारत माँ की रक्षा में जीवन कुर्बान है। भारत हमको जान से प्यारा है, सबसे न्यारा गुलिस्ता हमारा है। उजड़े नहीं अपना चमन, टूटे नहीं अपना वतन, गुमराह ना कर दे कोई, बर्बाद ना कर दे कोई। मंदिर यहाँ, मस्जिद यहाँ, मुस्लिम यहाँ, हिंदू यहाँ, मिलते रहे हम प्यार से जागो। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है। जन्मभूमि है हमारी, शान से कहेंगे हम, सब ही तो भाई भाई प्यार से रहेंगे हम। हिंदुस्तानी नाम हमारा है, सबसे प्यारा देश हमारा है।
Good morning, respected sisters, teachers, staff members, students, and all the viewers. A very happy Independence Day. I feel honored and privileged to get an opportunity to propose a vote of thanks on this year's celebration. Today, if we all can stand liberated on the land of India, it is just possible because of the hardships and sacrifices made by great leaders. We owe our freedom to them. I also want to thank all the armed forces who work day and night, selflessly risking their lives just to protect the border of our country. Lastly, I would also like to thank our principal, Sister Janet, our vice principal, Sister Jyoti, our manager, Sister Marie Therese, and teachers for organizing this celebration. I also take this opportunity to congratulate all the participants for the enthusiastic performance. Thank you one and all for your hard work.